Hello and welcome to Greetingstar. I'm so glad you could join me today. Hello crafty friends. Today I have a card for you and I'm just showing you options that you have with this. I embossed this word love and I also have a sticker that says love, so you can choose which one you like and make the card the way you want. I'm using this beautiful pink vellum. This is from Paper Junkie on Amazon, and this is some Nina Solar White 110-pound cardstock cut to an A2 size card. And then this is a die that I'm going to use to cut that beautiful pink vellum. It's the Avery L dotted borders. It just gives me a little bit of a curve, and that will help me align my flowers along the edge. And that's the only reason why I cut that die. Why I used the die to cut that paper out was just so I would have a guide for where to place the flowers, because you won't be able to see it. And then now that I've placed my flower, and these flowers are from Dollar Tree, by the way, so they were only $1. Now everything's $1.25, but when I bought them they were just $1. So I'm just trimming off those extra flowers there, and then you can leave the top just the way it is, but I have this frosted vellum that also came in the same pack from Paper Junkie, and I'm going to add that. And then I was thinking what kind of a greeting I wanted, and I have these stickers from the sticker sheet from, I think it's Simple Stories My Valentine, which is an old one, but I had some left over, so I decided to try to see what I could do. That one's really pretty. I like that love, but for whatever reason that day that I was making this card, it wasn't working for me for some reason. And what's funny is now that I'm looking at the video to do this recording, I think I like it better than the sticker or the stamp set that I'm using. But this stamp set also came from Dollar Tree. And so, you can get some cool stuff at Dollar Tree now. They have some crafting supplies and stuff, so that's kind of cool. So here is the little sheet. I just trimmed it down, and it's not going to matter that it's a little bit too short, because the flowers are going to cover up that space that you saw there. So I'm just going to heat emboss this. I'm using my anti-static tool. It just puts that powder down, and then some Versamark watermark ink. And then I'm going to use some pink embossing powder. This is some embossing powder I got at Joann's. It came in a set of lots of different colors, and it's made by Hampton Art. And even though I used the anti-static pouch, I still had some stray embossing powder. So I'm just trying to brush that off with the paintbrush. And then I'm going to use my heat tool here and my reverse tweezers to hold the paper and just go ahead and heat emboss that. And I think that's really pretty, but I think it's a little bit too light. I kind of like the darker pink with a sticker. So I'll leave it up to you. You guys can choose which one you like. I'll leave the links down below for the products. I actually don't know if the Simple Stories, I don't think that one's still available anymore, but I'm sure you guys, if you're a crafter, you probably have lots of supplies with stickers and things like that. So this is a sweet little card, and you don't have to say love. You could say happy birthday or whatever you want. So there's that card just like that. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Give me a thumbs up, and the like and subscribe deal. Hit that notification bell and check back for my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.